Hi, good afternoon. I would just like to say that I'm Rodrigo Cedro, and it's come to my attention that we need some recap of what we learned from the previous developmental workshop. Just a reminder of how Canvas works. So to start with, we would have to first go to the school that, in this case, Hillsborough Community College. We use our login, which is our email, as our username, and then we have our password. We sign in. It'll send you an information, sometimes just to make sure it's you. 52. Okay, we sign in. Some steps that keep going. Okay, once we're in, it brings us to this home page. Here are some tabs. This is our account. Gives us all the information that we need. More tabs. The dashboard shows us like what we have to do throughout this week. In this case, I have to do an assignment for my EME class. And then here, courses, you check out the classes that you have. In this case, I only have to do one. Here's a calendar. It usually shows dates that can help you see what's due. And here's the inbox. You can send emails to any teacher or student. Here's your history of what you've done. And this is Studio. This is actually helpful. It lets you do record, like screen record, record yourself. And here's the help tab. If any case you're stuck on Canvas, you can contact your Canvas, look at the Canvas Studio Guide, or ask your librarian, or talk to a support tech, as well as a HEC support tech, and the student services in the technical support center. Okay, now we're going to go back to courses. We're going to click the class. Here we get more tabs. We have the home tab, which talks about what the class is doing. Here's the announcement, what the teacher has to say. Here's her syllabus. This is the syllabus, looking at everything that we have to do. This is our modules. You can look at any module you have to do. For example, let's click here. I have to do this is due on the 20 by Wednesday. So the 21st, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. This is due by Wednesday. Okay. Now we go to grades. This is where you can check where your grades are. Okay, we can scroll down for an example. Right now it says I have a, let's see, let me put it up. A 97.52. Okay, let's see what would happen if I have a 0 in one of them. It brings it down significantly. And if we were to, these are what if scenarios. What if I had a 15? It goes to a 97, as well as this one goes to 97.75. Keeps going up. As you can see, it keeps going up. I went to a 97 to a 98. These are what if scenarios. We can also put zeros if we got a bad grade or something in between, and we just go back to the original score. Here's our critical thinking online tutoring. This is where you can, for example, write an essay for your English teacher. You log in, you upload it here, and they will check anything that is wrong with it. Grammar, grammar, plagiarizing, citing, all that good stuff. Okay, now we go to the Academic Success Center. Okay, let me open it. Let me log in. This is just like information about the school, what they do, like who you can contact. The people are the students that are also in the classroom, that you can email them directly. This is the library. If any case you're stuck on something or you need to write do an essay project, you can always go to the library. They have lots of books. You still log in like similar. Your student ID and your password is your first and last initial of your name, capital, the first letter, and then your student ID number. Here you can search up anything. For example, let's say students. For example, we can search up peer reviewed. Source type. Journals, or in this case, I want. Let's search up journal. Apply filter. And you get so many options. And then you can even narrow it down even more by going to the filter here, clicking up what you want and what dates you need, what authors you want, as well as the subject, genre, and language, which is a very helpful resource to use when coming to do essays. Here's Microsoft Teams meetings, which is like Zoom, similar to Zoom. The teacher uses this to contact you, or you with the students, you sign in. And this is a Microsoft Teams class. This is similar, but this is for just the class. And this is Microsoft OneDrive. You log in and it's like you upload the stuff that you have in here. Any questions, you can contact me at my email. If you need more further help, my email will be uploaded to here and my number. And thank you for your time. Bye-bye.